Alright, I'm going to plug them in for the first time. Oh, darn, I bumped the light back here. I guess it doesn't matter. Make the light show up, refrigerator light show up better. You can't really see back there. I need that stupid flashlight. Thanks. Did that sound bad?
No.
It made a little sound. I'm going to plug this one, and I don't know if I can reach. I don't know if it'll plug into this plug-in. That's the only problem.
Hmm.
Yeah, it won't plug in there. So that stinks. Now I don't know what to do.
Extension cords.
Where's the extension cords at?
I have to go look.
Yeah, because I could have plugged that one right into the wall over there. But I'd have to unplug it. The poor thing's never been plugged in before. Now I'm going to have to go unplug it right when I plug it in. Would that be bad? I don't want to be wrong. It's never been plugged in before, and I go to plug it in, and I go and unplug it. I don't like the sound of that. It's the way that stupid plug is oriented. They made it so that the cord comes back towards the ground, so you can't plug two plugs in the same spot.
Remember the extension cords in the bag?
I don't know if that's going to reach. I'll try. I don't like the idea of plugging an extension cord into it either.
Nope.
But just for now, just because of the fact that it's never been started up before, I don't want to go unplugging it right when I go to plug it in. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That bothers me. Did it make a bad sound when I plugged it right in?
I didn't hear anything bad.
Okay. Can you hold this? Reach over here, or you probably can't, can you? Never mind, I might be able to, I let it sit there, it should work. Okay. Okay, reach all the way over here with it. It's just a 3-foot extension cord. I don't like the idea of it, but I'll change it later.
Mm-hmm.
I'll plug this refrigerator in over here and then plug the freezer in right to there.
Mm-hmm.
Because you can only plug one thing in back there because of the way these dumb cords are shaped.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to plug the freezer in now, so here goes. Listen for any weird sounds.
Nothing weird.
This made a little pop sound, or was that just me bumping the refrigerator when I plugged it in?
No, I didn't hear it.
It might have just been me bumping this. I don't know.
No, I don't think so.
It's going to take 24 hours for it to cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look, see, that's brand new, and there's a bend on it. See it right there? Look,
Mm-hmm.
brand new, and there's a bend in it. No, the lens is over here. That's just the monitor. The lens is there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, your lens is right there, aiming right off here. Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
And it's brand new.
Mm-hmm.
And I just got them taking that tape off.
Well, this one has a bunch of dings in it that we didn't see too.
It doesn't make any sense. It's It's 13 plus years old.
Right here,
but
see?
brand new. I just took it out of the package. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, right there. We never noticed because we didn't look.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't look all these years because it was boxed up, both of these. But it's working. It's making a sound. Look, you can feel it.
Right. Okay.
It's kind of dirty right there. I don't know why.
That's all right.
But yeah, it's going to have to be gone over with some
Oh, we gotta
wipes
close
to
them
get
up.
these weird marks off here because of that.
Close them up.
Tape goes
Maybe
on.
we could put the thermometers in there and see what they do.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. But you see it, right? Can you see it?
Right.
Let's open them both back up. They're working. Hear them?
Okay.
You just aim it for the lights? You get down here and aim up at them? You can hear it, right? Maybe you could go back in here with it. Bring it back in here so you can hear the... Okay, try this one. So did you get back here and aim it at it? Show how it's all brand new? It's 2004 model Whirlpool.
Just one little strip back here.
I missed one. Shoot! That's crazy. Okay. That's alright. You can get some footage of me getting it off here. See, that's what I was talking about. I got this all off all these. It was on all the edges, all the way around. Yep, 2004 refrigerator and freezer side by side. But you know, this is 2018. So you know they're over 13 years old, almost 14 years old. In fact, it would be 14 years if you know, just a few more months from now.
Okay.
That's ridiculous, though. That's really noticeable.
Okay.
That's the way it was made. I mean, you know, the way it was packaged up. So anyway, maybe you could aim it at the doors.
That's the freezer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it in there.
Yeah, but see, that's already cold.
Oh, I know, but it'll drop down.
Oh, okay.
Okay, better close it.
Did you aim it at it?
I got all I could. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it on this side too? All right. Well, they're definitely working.
Yeah.
That's a miracle. Should have the candle going? Let me turn it off. Yeah, see, there's weird lines
Let's
right
put
there.
this one in here, in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, you can go ahead and see. I got to push this back to where it's going to be. You know, I'll go ahead and push it back. See, I got to adjust that a little bit because it wiggles. See this? Well, that one wiggles a little bit too. I just got to adjust the little feet on the bottom. It's not too bad though. I got them pretty even. Yeah, I had to put these handles on right here with 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and then I had to clip these on. Push them this way, and I had to clip these on too. These little things. Had to push them real hard to get them to snap in place. This, and that. 4 of them. 2 handles, and then there's these 2 things and these 2 things. I had to slide towards it. And then it clipped in place. Isn't that neat?